Every manager knows this moment. You start a day thinking everything is under control, and then everything falls apart. Someone's late, a form is missing, a message gets ignored, and a shift changes at the worst possible time. And suddenly, you're juggling problems before the day has even started. This is especially familiar for teams who don't work behind desks, the jobs where people are constantly moving and don't sit still. So today, we'll take a look at an app called Connecteam, what it actually helps with, where it might not fit, and who it's really built for. Chapter 1. What Connecteam actually is. Connecteam is an all-in-one employee management app designed mainly for workers who are not sitting at a desk. This includes cleaners, drivers, retail employees, construction crews, home care teams, food and beverage businesses, and anyone who moves from one place to another during the day. The app is built for mobile phones first, which makes sense. These frontline teams rarely use laptops on the job. Everything inside Connecteam is separated into 3 simple hubs. The Operations Hub is for schedules, time tracking, and daily forms. The Communication Hub handles chat, updates, and announcements. And the HR and Skills Hub covers onboarding, training, documents, and recognition. Because all of this sits in one place, you don't need 5 different apps to run your team. Even people who are not tech-savvy can figure it out quickly because the design is clean and simple. Chapter 2. The basic tools every team needs. Connecteam includes all the essential tools people expect from an employee management app designed for deskless employees. There is a GPS time clock for clocking in and out at the right location. There are scheduling tools for planning shifts or allowing swaps. Tasks can be assigned and tracked in real time. Chat is built into the app so work messages stay organized. You also get digital checklists, time-off management, documents, and onboarding tools. Because everything connects inside one app, the workflow stays simple. Chapter 3. The AI tools that remove the manual work. Now, on top of those essentials, Connecteam now includes a set of AI tools designed to remove a lot of the slow, repetitive work managers deal with every day. These tools are not there to wow you. They focus on practical problems managers struggle with every day. Smarter schedules with AI. Scheduling is one of the hardest parts of managing a team. You need to take into account availability, time off, job qualifications, and fairness. Connecteam's AI auto-scheduling builds a full schedule in seconds based on all these factors. It checks for conflicts and helps avoid mistakes like double booking someone or assigning an uncertified worker to the wrong job. You can still edit everything, but the part that normally takes hours is already done. This is helpful if you're managing a large or fast-moving team, turning paper and PDFs into mobile forms. If your team still uses paper forms, you know how often they get lost. Connecteam's AI file-to-form tool converts any PDF or even a picture of a paper form into a mobile form your team can fill out from their phone. It works well for checklists, inspections, safety logs, and incident reports. Everything is stored automatically, so nothing disappears. Building training courses in minutes. Onboarding takes a lot of time, especially when you repeat the same instructions to every new hire. Connecteam's AI course creator builds a complete training course from one simple prompt. You type what the course should cover, and the AI creates the structure with lessons and steps. You can edit it or add videos. And the best part, new hires and employees can access courses straight from their mobile phones from anywhere. Clearer updates with AI writing and translation. If you're not a great writer or your team speaks different languages, this tool helps a lot. Connecteam's AI updates feature can rewrite your message to make it shorter, clearer, or more friendly. It can also automatically translate the message into each employee's preferred language. That means fewer misunderstandings and fewer repeated explanations. Quick answers with the AI agents. Connecteam also recently released their AI agent feature. Think of the AI agents as your in-app sidekick. If someone needs to ask or check regarding a rule, a policy, or a safety instruction, they can ask the AI in chat. It looks through your company documents and finds the correct answer instantly. This is useful for busy teams who don't have time to dig through files or who don't have access to them on the site at all times. Hands-free voice input. Typing isn't easy when your hands are full. With smart voice input, Connecteam lets employees speak into the app and the AI writes it out cleanly. This works well for short reports or updates when someone is driving or holding equipment. Chapter 4. What it actually feels like to use. Connecteam is easy to use. The menus are simple, the buttons are large, and the instructions are clear. The app also includes short walkthroughs that show you how each feature works. From the manager's dashboard, you can see who's working, who's running late, what tasks are finished, and which forms have been submitted. It gives a full picture without overwhelming you. For most small to medium non-desk teams, simplicity is actually one of its strengths. Chapter 5. Real-life benefits you actually notice. The biggest change you feel with Connecteam is the amount of time you save. AI auto-scheduling can cut planning time by more than half. Mobile forms remove printing, scanning, and lost papers. AI writing tools make messages clearer with less effort. And the AI agent helped workers get answers without waiting for the manager. The app doesn't replace a manager. It boosts productivity by automating the repetitive tasks that slow you down, turning hours of manual work into minutes. Chapter 6. Free plan and trial. Connecteam offers a small business plan that is free for up to 10 users. If your team is bigger, you can try the full version with a 14-day free trial. You don't need a credit card to start, so it's easy to test everything without commitments. Connecteam is a simple and practical employee management app made for teams who are always on the move. It brings schedules, forms, tasks, messages, training, and communication into one place. And the new AI tools help remove a lot of the slow, repetitive work that managers deal with every day. For non-desk teams, people working in the field, in stores, on job sites, or in service roles, Connecteam can be one of the easiest and most effective tools to use. If you want to see how it feels in real life, there's a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.